Hey everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to upload a Photoshop file to Google Slides. If this sounds tricky, don't worry. I'll break it down step by step so it's super easy even if you've never done it before. First, open your web browser and head over to Google Slides. If you're not signed in, just log into your Google account. This will give you access to all your files and new presentations. Once you're on the home page, you can either start with a blank presentation or pick a pre-designed template. Templates are great if you want to save time and give your slides a polished look right away. Now that your presentation is open, look at the top of the page and click on File, then select Open. This is where you'll bring your Photoshop work into Google Slides. In the Open dialog, choose Upload from the options on the left. Find the Photoshop file you want to add. If your file is already a JPEG or PNG, it will upload without any issues. But if it's still in PSD format, you'll need to convert it first. To do that, open your PSD in Photoshop, go to File Export As, and select either JPEG or PNG. Once you have your image file, upload it to Google Slides. After uploading, your image will appear on the slide. You can move it, resize it, and arrange it however you like to fit your presentation. Make sure everything aligns well with your other slides for a clean, professional look. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to upload a Photoshop file to Google Slides. With a little practice, this will become a simple and essential part of your presentation workflow. Thanks for watching, and happy presenting.